Welcome to the Essential Guide on Testing Your Agent. Rigorous testing is key to a flawless product. Why is rigorous testing so important? It ensures your agent handles every user interaction perfectly, building trust and reliability. Let's start with your primary tool for quality assurance, the test pane. The test pane allows you to simulate user conversations in real time, helping you see exactly how your agent responds. During your simulation, actively track topics and variables. This confirms your agent's logic is executing correctly at every step. Ready to push your agent further? We'll move on to advanced testing techniques. Simulate edge cases and complex inputs. This is crucial for identifying unexpected failures and making your agent robust. For deep debugging, enable developer mode. This exposes detailed runtime information, turning guesswork into precise solutions. Now let's see debugging in action with a split-screen demonstration, combining the user experience with the technical backend. On one side, observe the user chat simulation, the natural conversation flow your customers will experience. On the other, watch the debug traces light up, visually tracking the exact path the conversation takes through your agent's logic. Look for the visual feedback. Green checks indicate successful test paths, and red flags instantly highlight where your agent failed. Test rigorously for perfection. Thorough testing is the final step to deploying an agent that delivers exceptional results every time.